let's talk about the Husqvarna K4000 power cutter. The Husqvarna K4000 comes loaded with new features. First and foremost, this saw can be run 100% wet using the provided GFC eye protection, or it can be run 100% dry using a Husqvarna vacuum and an optional dust accessory. The saw weighs in at just over 17 pounds and it has a cutting depth of 4.5 inches. Now let's talk about some of the features that improve this saw over the prior version. First and foremost, you'll notice that it has a new plastic handle design that makes it much more comfortable to operate for a long workday. Inside the saw, we've included pop-up carbon brushes, and these give you much longer service life and higher performance throughout the life of them. And when it is time to service your brushes, you have easy access to the all inside of the saw using only Torx fasteners on the entire unit. And you can service those with the wrench that's included right inside the box. Now another change to the housing is that you'll notice that the power cable and water line all come in right under your hand. And this gives you a much more durable design and a lot more comfortable to use as well. Now your high-performing Husqvarna power cutter deserves a high-performing Husqvarna diamond blade, such as the Vericut. And it's easy to attach using the provided wrench. You're ready to go to work.